Hi again, this is Dave from Projex Academy, and welcome back to our PRINCE2 7th edition masterclass. This is the introduction to Module 2, where you'll learn all about the overview of PRINCE2 principles and tailoring. So let me give you a brief introduction. First of all, you need to be aware of the 5 integrated elements of PRINCE2, as you can see from this graphic, consisting of the new people section, which covers those who are working on a project, the relationships between them, and those who are impacted by a project. At the top, you have project context. This covers the topics of scale, organizational context, commercial context, delivery method, and sustainability. When it comes to the 7 processes, you may already be familiar with these. You have starting up a project, initiating a project, directing a project, controlling a stage, closing a project, managing a stage boundary, and managing product delivery. Don't worry about remembering all of those if this is new to you. We'll be deep diving into all of those in separate modules. Then you have the 7 principles. Again, if you're familiar with previous editions of PRINCE2, there won't be much that has changed here apart from the odd wording. Ensure continued business justification, manage by exception, and so on. All 7 of them. And over here on the left, the practices, which used to be called themes, there are 7 of these. Again, if you're familiar with previous versions of PRINCE2, you'll see that there's a new practice there called organizing, and that what used to be called change is now more correctly called issues. So as an introduction, I want you to be aware of the learning outcomes from the official syllabus. Don't worry, our masterclass covers all of these in beautiful step-by-step detail. For the foundation exam, you'll need to be able to explain the 7 PRINCE2 principles. I won't go through them there, they're the same as we looked at previously, and be able to explain how and why the principles provide the basis of applying PRINCE2. Be quite clear about which factors influence the way the PRINCE2 method can be tailored and applied, along with who is responsible and how tailoring decisions are documented. When it comes to the practitioner exam learning outcomes, you need to be able to analyse the application of the PRINCE2 principles in context. And once more, there, A through G are the 7 principles. So what will you learn? Well, starting from top left, you'll understand the PRINCE2 Masterclass objectives, what's new for the PRINCE2 7th edition, what are the features and benefits of PRINCE2. As I've just touched on, you'll learn all about the 5 integrated elements, along with the causes of project failure. Don't worry, with PRINCE2, those won't apply to you. We'll go through at a high level the 7 PRINCE2 processes, along with clarifying the definition of a PRINCE2 project. I'll explain the project characteristics and the definition of project management. We'll then look at 5 areas relevant to projects, starting with the challenges, performance management metrics, the different delivery methods, project layers and tolerances, as well as looking at the context within which projects will need to be managed. You and I will also cover the PRINCE2 practices and their application. Remember, these were once called themes, however they're a lot clearer and focused in this latest version, and sustainability management, along with learning all about project scale. So with that said, welcome aboard to our Projex Academy PRINCE2 Masterclass, and I'll be with you every step of the way through, in this module, Module 2, all 8 of the video lessons. So until we meet up, from me, Dave, it's bye for now.